To reconnect with our forefathers. That's what farm life is about. Some people say to live a farm life, you have to live on a farm. But I say, to have a life on the farm, you don't need to live on a farm. I say the suburbs are as much of a farm is a farm. Out here in the suburb farm life, we're our own mechanics. We're not tied to the grid. Out here, we value partnership. Trust is our ally. We don't treat our horses as a means of transportation. We treat them as brothers, siblings in a life on the farm, in the suburbs. Sometimes partnership fades and a rivalry begins. We settle things mano a mano, one-on-one, man to man. We fend for ourselves out here. That's our values out on the farm, in the suburbs, but still farm.